forward with Jason. It's time now for grade 4's four-seat upgrade. Jason, here's yours. Classic question. If you get it right, you get to the sweet 4 seats. If you get it wrong, we sit back there to hold Joe. The one that's in the whole place. Very easy question. Who's leading the NBA in field goal percentage this season? We're going to hit 23 inches. Read his name down there if you really want. I don't want you to hold it. You, sir, have been upgraded to grade 4 seats. Come on.
Yeah, boys! Yeah. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations, boys. Congratulations. Congratulations, buddy. Hey, buddy, congratulations. Will you come out if he doesn't want to go out? Will you come out with us?
No.
All right. All right, guys. Have a good night, guys.
Hey, you guys have a good one. Woo!
They're moving down the seats on the ground.
I see. That was. You see the picture?
You were waving. I think I got it.
I got one. Oh my god. Somebody.